Okay, this is 2.7 notes talking about the derivatives of some special functions, cosine, sine, e to the x, and natural log of x. So first, we're going to talk about the derivative of cosine and sine. Very important before I even mention any of these is that the best thing you can do is just memorize everything. So that includes every single one on here. I'm just going to start by saying memorize, memorize, memorize. Okay, so the derivative of cosine is negative sine. The derivative of sine is cosine. So in this example, if it wants us to find the derivative of f, we would do f prime of x is equal to, well, the derivative of sine is cosine, so this is 2 cosine x, and then minus 5, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so this would be 2 cosine x plus 5 sine x. That's the derivative. Okay. Now, before we look at the other derivatives, let's see if you guys can remember natural log of 1, natural log of 0, etc. So natural log of 1 is 0. Natural log of 0 is undefined. E to the 0 is 1. E to the natural log a is a because e and natural log cancel. And since e and natural log cancel, natural log of e to the a is just a. Okay. So since natural log and e cancel each other, that means natural log of e is 1. So for these examples, the derivative of a to the x, so this is a number, is going to be a to the x, so we write the same thing again, times the natural log of a. And then the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So in this example here, f prime of x would be equal to 2 to the x, natural log of 2, plus 3e to the x. Then we have the derivatives of log. So log base a of x is equal to 1 over x natural log of a, the derivative. The derivative of natural log of x, I'm just going to cross off this because we know that log and natural log cancel with e. So in order for us to eliminate that confusion, the derivative of the natural log is 1 over x. Okay. Which means if we were to take the derivative of this function, the derivative of log base 4 of x is going to be equal to 1 over x natural log 4, and then the derivative of 4 natural log x is just going to be minus 4 over x. Okay. And these ones, it wants us to do some more practice and take the derivative of each of them. So for this one, f prime of x is going to be equal to 2 cosine x plus 5e to the x. The derivative of this one is going to be 3 to the x natural log 3 plus 4 sine x. The derivative of this function is going to be 1 over x natural log 2 minus cosine x. So it's very easy to do these quickly if we have all of them memorized. Okay, number 4, it says find the value of the derivative at the given point. So first we're going to find the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to 3 over x plus e to the x. So f prime of 5 is equal to 3 over 5 plus e to the 5th power. That would be the derivative. Last example here, f prime of x would be equal to negative 3 sine of x plus 1/2 cosine of x because I moved this 2 to become 1/2. Then I plug in pi. F prime of pi is equal to negative 3 sine pi plus 1/2 cosine pi. Well, we know that sine of pi is 0, so this is negative 3 times 0, plus cosine of pi, which is negative 1, so this is 1/2 times negative 1, which is equal to negative 1/2.